Hello, all the cool people. This is me, Aryan Kumar, and today we are going to study another prodigious topic that is all about mass volume relationship. Now, you might think, what is mass volume relationship? As we just covered what is mass to mass relationship yesterday, you can just consider this similarly as mass volume relationship in the terms of mass relationship. Now, if you don't know what is a mass relationship, I would suggest you to go through my channel and search for mass relationship video, and you can simply understand how that works. Now, of course, if you are solving this for STP, okay, if you are solving this for any volume, such as volume of O2 at STP. This is my main highlight of the question, that it asks us that what is the volume of O2 at STP, and you know that STP stands out to be standard time pressure, and here our time, or you can say standard time pressure, is known as temperature, that is 273 Kelvin, and indirectly that is equals to Celsius. And what type of Celsius? That is equals to what Celsius? Okay, what Celsius is equal to um, 273 Kelvin, that is 0, and 0 Celsius equals to 273 Kelvin. If you don't know what is Kelvin, what is Celsius, what is Fahrenheit, you can just go through other topics and search it up on YouTube as well. What is basically centigrade, or maybe Celsius, Kelvin, and Fahrenheit. Anyways, we are studying about mass, uh, not mass, it is mass volume relationship. Now, if I talk about mass relationship very shortly, now just suppose before doing this question, okay, we have to first solve our mass to mass relationship. Now, how we will do that? Let me just pick any attractive color for you. Okay, let me just take purple for you. Okay, now I will rewrite my question here. Okay, 2 kcl, and that combines with O3, that gives me 2 moles, or you can say exponent of KCl is 2, and if I add that with 3O2, that is 3 moles of oxygen, that indirectly is proportional to this thing. Okay, so I'm just marking it up. um well, uh, I just rewrote this situation for better understanding of us. Now, consider this as our equation that asks us uh, like 49 gram of solid potassium chloride KClO3 on heating decomposes. Okay, now this decomposes completely KCl. Okay, you can just try to figure that out by your question with the liberation of O2 gas. Okay, meanwhile, standard time or pressure, or you can say like quantity of O2, that is of course oxygen. Now, how would we calculate that? If I tell you any simple or short trick for this, first of all, you have to do a thing, that try to calculate um, the moles. Now, of course, you can just see the exponent here as 2, exponent here as 3. You would just do a thing here, that mark your exponent 2 at first here as your mole. Later on, mark your exponent 3 here for your I can say moles of O2, as we have to find O2 at STP, and this is being consumed, so we will utilize both of them. Okay, and what I have to do is find volume of O2, but before that, let's just try to find the mass. Now, of course, in question I have 49 gram of solid, but if I use formula, that is my like, of course, it will include moles in it, as we are just talking in moles here. So I will like to add moles, and how will I calculate that? If I just do like 49 moles of like like moles of this is my given mass, and molar mass of potassium chloride KClO3 would be um, I don't know that, but let's just calculate it. Okay, O multiplied by 3, then just add chloride in it, then add potassium and potassium in it. Um, I believe that will give you 122, yeah, 122.5. Okay, so that gives me 122.5, and by just inserting my values here in the formula, I will get a particular value that is 0.54 moles. Okay, now this is my value for what? Um, again, as we just solved for what? The number of potassium chloride, that is KClO3. So I will just put that here. That is my 0.4 moles, and we have to find O2. As per the question, we have to find O2. So I'll just simply put X here. Now just do cross multiplication right here, and similarly goes on the other hand. 2 multiplied by X, that would give me 2X, and if I do 0.4 multiplied by um, 3, I believe that gives me um, okay, I believe that gives me, let's just calculate it. um, I don't have an estimate, don't have any estimated round. So our question says that multiply 0.4 by 3. Okay, so 0.4 0.4 multiply by 3, that gives me 1.2. All right, that's a good value. Now I can just put 1.4 here. Let me just recheck it. um okay, 0.4 multiply by what, the number 3, and that gives me 1.2. Perfect. Okay, now move to the okay, now just divide that and have your number of moles. How would I do that? Again, the same thing. I will divide that. um, Clear. 1.4 divide by 2, that gives me 0.7. Okay, around about 0.7 moles of you can say what 0.7 moles of KClO3, potassium chloride, right? So that is my answer for now. Okay, the estimated moles per now. And if I have to calculate the volume of it, okay, if I calculate the volume of it, if you know what is the like what is the formula of it, like moles equals to given moles that aren't available here at the point, multiply by the molar moles, not molar moles, molar volume, given volume upon molar volume, that is 20 22.4. Let me just correct this up. I just messed up. 22.4, and if I multiply both of them, that would give me somewhat around 13.45 or 44. um, and again, unit will be dm cube, that is our unit for maybe liter and volume as well. So indirectly my answer for um, moles of water will be 0.4. Okay, sorry, that would be okay, yeah. So my answer for potassium chloride's mole would be 0.4 later on. Just trying to calculate that with the things, and we got the answer as 13.45 dm cube. That is our answer. And till the last point where we found our mole, that was like I just had my zero point 0.4 moles multiplied by 3, that gave me 1.4. 2 multiplied by x, I just shifted that x here, 2 here basically, divided that, had almost 0.67, that is round off to 0.7, and just inserted my value up there. and multiplied it by the molar volume and had my answer. That is it for today's video. Thank you for joining. I hope that is clear, the concept is clear. And I just mess up the screen every time I do this. I will try to make it better from next time. Thank you.